Very special guest, Dr. Kalani Brady. We thank him for being here every Thursday. Let's get to them. Lots of questions. Caller says, I'm 54, have not gone through menopause yet. Is there danger for me?
No.
Yeah.
It's fine.
54. What is that? I mean, there's no real age, if you will.
No,
but, yeah.
You can find out the age as an estimate by looking at what your mother had as the age of menopause, but that's just an estimate too.
Okay, so she's okay.
Yep.
Very good. I've had toes amputated on both of my feet. How long should it take before I can get up and walk?
Good question. I think this person should have a good relationship with the orthopedic surgeon or surgeon that amputated the toes, and they will give this patient advice as to what exercise she can start doing, what walking she can start doing, and when.
All right. What causes low blood pressure? Caller says, I'm a dialysis patient.
A lot of dialysis patients have highly variable blood pressure, and the reason is the kidneys aren't working minute by minute, hour by hour. Dialysis is a miraculous thing that we have discovered and perfected in some ways, but it doesn't help the blood pressure all the time. And I have a patient on dialysis, Ron, that runs 90 over 60, 80 over 50 all the time. So I would talk with her nephrologist or kidney specialist and work out what would do it, maybe increasing the dry weight of the dialysis, leaving a little bit more fluid on after the dialysis would help.
All right. But low blood pressure affects different people too, not just those who are on dialysis.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Caller says, I have very low vitamin D, very low vitamin D. The doctor told me I have to take 50 milligrams, 50,000, is that right?
Yep.
Vitamin D twice a week, but my level has not gone up. What should I do?
Talk to the doctor about increasing. Don't just increase on your own, but talk to the doctor about how much you should increase it.
I'm vitamin D deficient as well.
Yes.
What are we lacking here? What's the dangers of that?
Basically, it has to do with bone metabolism, and you don't want osteopenia, osteoporosis as you age, so a lot of people are deficient and should be taking vitamin D. But test it, don't just take it.
Don't just do it on your own. One more question I want to sneak in. After eating a heavy meal, how long should we wait before retiring for the night?
If we have reflux, esophageal reflux, we should wait a couple of hours until the stomach has shrunk back down. If you don't have reflux, you can go to bed right away. The problem with that, of course, is you're uncomfortable as you lie down.
It's a myth that you're going to get a nightmare?
It's a myth.
Mom, you fooled me all those years. Dr. Brady, good to see you. I'll see you soon.